Hello guys, welcome back to another dev vlog, except today, I'm sorry, it's not a dev vlog, it's more like a dev development update on Rebound. Now, I did the main menu after hours of procrastination. Now, I really wanted a design that was unique. Maybe not a, no, not a design that was unique, but a idea for a design that was unique. Maybe the design itself didn't have to be unique, but the idea behind it was. And I figured it out after like 10 minutes of brainstorming. I had a couple of drafts on my whiteboard. Um, and my whiteboard so far just has like all of my notes on how I'm gonna do the game. But I made a draft and I finally settled on one, and I really like it. So let's just run the program and I'll show you. So yeah. Now, if you don't know what this is, you should. But no, I'm just kidding. But if you don't know what this is, well, this is, well, you know what? It's easier if I just show you. It's this. This is the Game Boy Advanced. Now, I never had a Game Boy Advanced, but you can see I basically modeled it off of this. I didn't create the joystick kind of thing yet. I'm going to make that. So how it's going to work is you're going to click single player or multiplayer, and then of course you are just going to scroll up and down on the screen via that button. And then when you actually play the game, it'll enlarge the screen, it'll zoom into the screen, and it will start the game. Now, I know what you're thinking, or maybe you might be thinking this. Um, are you worried about copyright? Yes. Yes, I am worried about that, and I've actually looked over. I went onto Google and looked over some of their patents, and from what I can tell, I won't get any strikes or any, sorry, I won't get any yeah, run into any issues, but I'm not entirely sure since I'm just a kid and I don't really understand how patents works. I didn't really feel like reading over like a 20-page thing. It was like 50-page, but yeah, I don't really feel like reading that much, especially since I had to go in like 10 minutes to get an X-ray and an ultrasound. Oh, and it was a girl. No, I'm just kidding. They were getting an ultrasound of my neck. And the doctor was nice with, and she was really nice with. She was Russian. That's not bad, by the way. But like what she said was, "I take picture of your neck." I thought that was pretty funny for some reason. But I'm getting like 50 Discord notifications, so give me 1 second. All right, so continuing. So I am going to look it over with you know what? I'll join the Nintendo Discord server. And I'll ask around, hey, will this get me copyrighted or copyright striked? Copyright? I don't know. Is it copyright infringement? Will they? Because I know what they did to the creators of Flappy Bird. However, he copied textures directly. This is just more modeling it off as a joke, and it even has it. Yeah, it's nothing. The graphics are nothing like it, like the real life thing. Um, and it's in no way trying to copy it, it's just impersonating it. But anyways, I made this. Also, the buttons work, and the switch state works perfectly. So I can actually program one of these buttons. Let's just program this one to set it to. Well, we can just do state manager dot set state, and we'll pass in the test state. And let's run that. And so when we press the single player button, you can see it'll switch states. And this is just a test state that I'm not going to use. It's just for testing purposes, but let's just delete that because we're not going to use that for switching to that state. But other than that, it's 10:47, so I kind of want to go to bed because I did not get that much sleep today, and I have to wake up earlier tomorrow just because I'm supposed to go to a museum. Um, but yeah, that's all for this. Oh, and I do want to make it so that you can customize maps. All right. So I how do I explain this? I'm currently trying to make a map making process. So maybe like its own little part, but either way, you're gonna be able to just put in files into the folder where the uh, game is, and it will auto detect them and load up any of the worlds in there. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. I'll try. I'll figure something out. But I am trying to make it work so that you can load custom worlds in them. But anyways, have a good day. I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.